Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. It's the first match in Friday's doubleheader, and the scores are Kingston College on 27 points and Mannings School on 20 points. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but team will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from Bible knowledge. Which of his co-workers in the gospel did the Apostle Paul say had forsaken Kingston College?
Demas.
Correct, had forsaken him having loved this present world. Biology. What is the scientific name of the small bone located in the front of the knee where the Mannings School?
Patella.
Correct, where the femur and the tibia meet. English language give a 5-letter verb starting with J, which means to compete closely. Kingston College?
Joust.
Correct. Local affairs, it's a visual one, teams. Look at the screen and identify the person, please. Kingston College?
Omar Robinson.
Correct. Chemistry. What is an organic salt formed by the reaction of an alcohol with an acid? Kingston College?
Esther.
Correct. That's what it's called. Music and audio question teams. Listen to the following and identify the singer. Mannings School.
Tina Turner.
Is correct. General knowledge teams. Kiev is the largest. Kingston College.
Ukraine.
Yes, it's the largest city and capital of which nation? Spanish. What is a Spanish for sneakers? Mannings School.
Sneakers. Las zapatillas.
Correct.
de deporte.
Geography. Which well-known map projection preserves angles and directions over small areas but distorts distances, especially near the poles? Mercator projection. Theatre and cinema visual one teams. Look at the monitor and identify the person. Mannings School.
Aquafina.
Is correct. Information technology. What in a piece of software is a fault or error? Mannings School.
Glitch.
No, bug is a fault or error of some kind that prevents the software from working as it should. History. Which Jamaican-born slave was one of the most visible early leaders in the Haitian River? Kingston College.
Dirty Bookman.
Is correct. Mathematics. A rectangle measures 10 centimeters on one side. Squares of side 3 centimeters are taken from each corner. The resulting shape has an area of 264 centimeters squared. Find the length of the other side of the rectangle. .30 centimeters. Physics. What is the power dissipation in a circuit driven by a sine wave source with peak-to-peak voltage of 200 volts and carrying an RMS current of 1.5 amps? Kingston College.
300 watts. 300 watts.
No, it's 105 watts. Sports or visual question teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Kingston College.
Muhammad Ali.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. What musical instrument beginning with B is made of? Mannings School.
Bento.
Judges, benta is what I have. Right, so it's made of bamboo with a gourd resonator and laid horizontally when played. We leave that with the judges. French. Translate to the following sentence to English. L'argent est sous la table. The money's on the table. Literature. Proceed, Solinus, to procure my fall is the opening line in which Shakespeare play. And with that bell, it's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Kingston College on 39 points and Mannings School on 24 points. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewers question. The answer is Cuba. Congratulations to our winners. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.